just make sure you watch till the end because there's a bonus drink. These drinks are all non-alcoholic, so they are for the whole family. But as we go along, I'll be telling you what you need to add to get you to the correct level of grace. The first one is what I call Pomegrita. You need pomegranate, ice, grape juice, lemon, and lime. First, extract the seeds of the pomegranate like this. Then mash it up. Mash till the juice comes out. Sieve it. Mash again, sieve, and repeat the cycle till there is no more juice. To get the Pomegrita effect, roll the rim of the glass in a bowl of sugar. To achieve that, you need to put the glass in the fridge to chill for at least 30 minutes so that it can develop the mist that the sugar will attach to. Add the ice cubes, a slice of lime, grape juice, a squeeze of lemon, and lime. To make it alcoholic, add tequila at this time. Stir and add the pomegranate juice. That's it for Pomegrita. I'll show all the drinks at the end. The second one is strawberry lemonade. You need sugar, water, lemons, and strawberries. First, make the syrup. Add the sugar and water into a pot and bring to a boil. Once the sugar dissolves completely, it's okay. Usually, it's 1 part water to 1 part sugar for syrups, but because we don't like sugar in this house, I am using 1 part sugar to 2 parts of water. Set aside to cool down completely. Blend the strawberries without adding water. Sieve it. Juice the lemons. Then make the drink. Add ice, pieces of strawberries, strawberry juice, lemon juice, and syrup. To make it alcoholic, add vodka. Stir and decorate. The third one is what I call Zobo Sunrise. You need Zobo, that's Hibiscus, Roselle, yeah. Links to where you get these rare ingredients are in the description box below the video. You also need sugar, water, ice made with orange juice. It's always good to make the ice with one of the ingredients if you can. Grape juice and orange juice. First, we make the Zobo syrup. Rinse the Zobo very well. Then boil it with the sugar and water. Once the red color is solid and the sugar has completely dissolved, it's okay. Sieve and set aside to cool down completely. To make the drink, add ice to a cup. Add orange juice to just under half of the cup. Grape juice, the same quantity. To make it alcoholic, add tequila at this point. Stir and pour the Zobo syrup from one point. And watch it go straight to the bottom of the cup. Some of it will slowly rise, hence the sunrise. The bonus Valentine drink, you know I'm such an Ezigbo mother like Chinchi, is Nigerian Chapman. A Valentine's Day where Nigerian Chapman is not served, is that one Valentine's Day? No! And have you liked this video yet? No? What are you waiting for? You don't have a boo? Don't worry, a boo will come, but you need to give love to receive love. These ingredients make 2 mugs. Can you sight the dimpled mugs in the background? That's the classic mug for serving this drink. I'll link you up to where you can buy it in the description below the video. This one is the easiest to make. Add ice. Add half of the 7-Up or Sprite to each mug. Half of the Fanta to each mug as well. Slices of cucumber. Lemon and orange quarters. Squeeze in the lemon and orange. And top up with the Grenadine Syrup. To make it alcoholic, add a few dashes of Angostura bitters at any time during the preparation. Stir before sipping with a straw. Look at them all! Madre mia! Where is my husband? Which one is your favorite? And which one would you make? Bye bye, see you when you come down from cloud 9.